This is the Ultra Aire 120V. It is the only vertical whole house ventilating dehumidifier on the market. It is Energy Star rated in 5.8 amps. It has an energy factor of 3.6 liters per kilowatt hour. It removes up to 120 pints of water per day. It features a MERV 13 filter with an easy to access forward facing door. The unit is sized for homes up to 3,000 square feet. It features a 6-inch fresh air duct, a 10-inch return duct, and features patented dual supply ducts for maximum installation flexibility. The Ultra Aire 120V has the dimensions with the collars on of a width of 26 3/4 inches, a height of 43.5 inches, a length of 18 3/4 inches, and the unit weighs 120 pounds. For more information on the Ultra Aire 120V, visit www.ultra-aire.com.